Where's your nose?
No.
Nose. Where's your teeth? Tongue. Where's your eyes? Eyes. Where's your hair? Hair. Where's your... Paano bantot? Paano mag-sing? Sing. Ay, galing ah. Where's your ears? Ears. Paano mag-sing? Paano bantat? Bantat. Ay, galing ah. Bantat. Paano bantat? Paano yung bantat? Ha? Paano bantat? Fly. Fly. Where's your feet? Where's your feet? Where's your feet? Taas mo yung feet mo. Taas yung feet. Where's ate? Where's ate? Sa labas? Oh, tawagin mo sa ate. Ay, tawag mo sa ate. Ay, feet. Feet. Ang feet mo. Mabaho yung feet mo.